Hello dear children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Stay home, stay safe. In our last class we had a discussion about synapses on three-dimensional geometry. In this class I am going to discuss about problematic part. First we move into the first question. Direction cosines of a line that makes equal angles with three axes is. Here we have the line which makes equal angle with three axes. Then we need to find direction cosines. Here we have the line which passing through the horizon which makes an angle alpha with x axis, beta with y axis and gamma with z axis. What they given here? They makes equal angle means alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, right? If alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. So once we are apply cos here, this is cos alpha is equal to cos beta is equal to cos gamma. It means direction angles are equal, means at the same time corresponding direction cosines are equal. Once cosines are equal, L is equal to M is equal to N. L is equal to M is equal to N. So we have the relationship in direction cosines there. L square plus M square plus N square is equal to what? 1. This is L square plus, replace M by L. L square plus L square is equal to 1. We left with 3L square is equal to 1. L square is equal to 1 by 3. What about L then? L is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. L is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Therefore, L is equal to M is equal to N. They will get plus or minus 1 by root 3. Therefore, direction cosines are plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by root 3 and plus or minus 1 by root 3. So it will make equal angle. The same kind of question that has arisen in vector algebra. Vector algebra. A vector which makes an equal angle we have to take only one set of direction cosines there, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. But when it comes to three-dimensional geometry, we will discuss about the line means we have the two-way direction. That's why plus or minus cos alpha, plus or minus cos beta and plus or minus cos gamma. That's why we have plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by root 3 and plus or minus 1 by root 3. Okay, take a pause and note. Next, dear children, we are moving to the next question. Second question. The cosine of angle between any two diagonals of cube is. Any two diagonals of cube is. Cube means we have all the edges are equal. So this is the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. So point on x axis is 1 comma 0 comma 0. On y axis is 0 comma 1 comma 0. Because we take the unit cube here. Unit cube. So this is also 0 comma 0 comma 1. 0 comma 0 comma 1. Or else directly a cube having edges a unit means you take that as a. This becomes a comma 0 comma 0, 0 comma a comma 0. This is a and this will be 0 comma 0 comma a. That's the thing. This is the horizon. This is the point A, B, C, P. So these are enough here. Okay. Now observe point P. So this point P lies on xz plane, right? Xz plane means here this point becomes 1 comma 0 comma 1 agutte. 1 comma 0 comma 1 and point B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ 0 comma 1 comma 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು diagonal form ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. O to C is one diagonal, another one P to B is one diagonal. You need to find this angle theta. ಈ angle find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is cosine of this angle. So here nothing but this is the vector PB, right? And this is the vector OC. Vector OC ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Vector OC is equal to point origin is 0 comma 0 comma 0 and point C is See, this is point C is 1 comma 1 comma 1, that becomes I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and vector PB is equal to position vector at terminal point minus position vector at initial point. Terminal point ಏನಿದೆಪ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ 0 comma 1 comma 0, and here we have 1 comma 0 comma 1. 0 minus 1, that becomes minus 1, this is minus sign, plus 1 minus 0. Just remember the vector joining 2 points, x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 is x2 minus x1 into I cap plus y2 minus y1 into j cap plus z2 minus z1 into k cap. So this becomes minus I cap plus j minus k cap. Then we need to find a cosine angle, right? So cos theta is equal to, this is the modulus of OC dot PB divided by magnitude of vector OC into magnitude of vector PB. So this becomes, what's nodi, dot product of 1 is here, I to I, j to j and k to k. I component is minus 1 and here minus 1 and here we have 1. So this is 1 and this will be minus 1. Plus into minus is minus 1. Again j and j we have positive, that becomes here plus 1, and that will be plus and minus is minus 1. Divided by magnitude of vector OC. Magnitude of vector OC here, root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is root 3. Simple, this one is also PB. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1, 1 square is 1, minus 1 whole square is also plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, that becomes root 3. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, we left with mod of minus 1 divided by 3. This is nothing but 1 by 3. Therefore cos theta is equal to what? 1 by 3. This is the cosine of angle between the diagonals, any two diagonals of the cube. Take a pause and note on. Next, dear children, we are moving to the next question. Question number 5. Here we have this one. So these questions are taken from your MTG fingertips. Okay, this is question number 5. A line makes angle alpha, beta, gamma with coordinate axis. If alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree, then gamma is equal to, so what we have to find here? Gamma, right? They given alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree. We need to find gamma. Okay, so right, beta is equal to 90 minus alpha. There is a complementary angles. Beta is equal to 90 minus alpha. We know that. Just remember the relationship between direction cosines. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to what? We have 1. So this becomes cos square alpha plus cos square alpha beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So this is cos square, right, as it is, plus cos square of beta is replaced by 90 minus alpha plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. This is a cos square alpha plus cos square of 90 minus alpha. This is nothing but cos of 90 minus alpha whole square, right? Cos of 90 minus alpha whole square, cos of 90 minus alpha, cos of 90 minus theta, that becomes sin theta, because in first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive. So this becomes sin square of alpha plus is equal to 1. Nodi, cos square plus sin square or sin square plus cos square is equal to 1, because this is the trigonometric identity. So this becomes 1 plus cos square alpha is equal to 1, 1 and 1 get cancelled. Cos square alpha is equal to 1, cos alpha is equal to 0, cos alpha is equal to 0, then alpha becomes, so this is gamma alpha. I forgot this one, this is gamma. My correction here, this is gamma. Therefore gamma is equal to, when cos becomes 0, when theta is equal to 90 degree, right, or gamma is equal to here 90 degree. Therefore gamma, whatever angle is 90 degree. Gamma is equal to 90 degree. Take a pause and note on. Next, dear children, we are moving to the next question. This is question number 11 from fingertips, MTG fingertips. If A is we have the point A 3, 5, minus 4, B of minus 1, 1, 2 and C of minus 5, minus 5, minus 2 are vertices of triangle ABC. Then they given the option here. Option A, direction cosines of AB, direction cosines of AC, and direction cosines of BC. Direction cosines ನೋಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, all the options ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು direction cosines ಇದೆ. Then here we need to find direction cosines of AB, AC as well as BC. So take the given point A of 3, 5, -4, and B of -1, 1, 2, and C of -5, -2. Okay. Direction, before going to find the direction cosines, first we have to find the direction ratios of AB. Direction ratios of AB is equal to, just remember direction ratios of AB, x1, y1, z1, and the second point x2, y2, z2. Direction ratios are x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So this becomes -1 minus 3 is -4, and 1 minus 5 is -4, and 2 minus of -4 is, that becomes here 6. They are the direction ratios. Direction cosines ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, -4 divided by AB ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ AB. Next one, -4 divided by AB. This is 6 divided by AB, right? Or else when they given ABC are the direction ratios, that the direction cosines are A divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square, and B divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square, and C divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square. So these are the direction ratios A, B, C. Corresponding direction cosines ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, A divided by A square plus B square plus C square, that is root, and -4 divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square, and C divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square. This is, we have 6, therefore this becomes -4 divided by square root of, this is a -4 whole square plus -4 whole square plus 6 square. -4 divided, we have to write the same thing, we'll also 6 divided by same thing. This becomes -4 divided by 4 square is, -4 whole square is 16, again -4 whole square is 16, 16 plus 16 is 32, 32 plus 6 square is 36, 32 plus 36 is 68 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, root of 68 ಆಯಿತು. root of 68, and here -4 divided by root of 68, and 6 divided by root of 68. So this becomes -4 divided by 68 can be written as 17 into 4, 17 4s are 68, so that can be written as 2 root 17, right? 2 root 17, and the next one -4 divided by 2 root 17, and here 6 divided by 2 root 17. 2 1s are 2 2s get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2s get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 3s get cancelled. We left with -2 divided by root 17, and -2 divided by root 17, and here 3 divided by root 17. So these are the direction cosines of AB. Direction cosines of AB is -2 divided by root 17, -2 divided by root 17, and 3 divided by root 17. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Similarly, if you want to find direction cosines of AC, AC ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, A and C, -5 -3 is -8, -5 -5 is -10, -2 minus of that becomes here +2, right? Sorry, -2 minus that becomes +2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And distance of AC find out ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ what we left there, we get root 42 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Hence direction cosines of AC, you can find yourself direction cosines of AB. Follow the same method. Option B is also right answer here. Option C is also right answer. Direction cosines of BC is -2 divided by root 17, -3 divided by root 17, and -2 divided by root 17. And direction AC and BC are obtained by the same method. Okay, solve yourself, and here option D is the right answer. All of these, all what they given option A, B, and C are the right answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? This is the case. Option D is the right answer. Take a pause and note on. Next, dear children, we are moving to the next question. And this is a very important one. So what they given here, just observe. The equation of the line passing through the point minus 3 comma 2 comma minus 4 and equally inclined to the axis. Equally inclined. Here a line is equally inclined to the axis means ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. It means the direction angles are equal. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. It means cos alpha is equal to cos beta is equal to cos gamma. They are equal. It is L is equal to M is equal to N. I will take that as A. The numbers which are proportional to direction quotients are called direction ratios. So directly we can write direction ratios as A and A because they are equal here. So therefore equation of the line passing through the point minus 3 comma minus 3 comma 2 comma minus 4 with having the direction ratios A and A is becomes x plus 3 x minus x1, right? X plus 3 divided by A is equal to y minus 2 divided by A is equal to z minus of minus 4 becomes plus 4, right? Divided by A is equal to some lambda irutte. Take the A is a common there, that this can be written as x plus 3 is equal to y minus 2 is equal to z plus 4. This is the equation of the line which is equally inclined with the coordinate axis and passing through the point minus 3 comma 2 comma minus 4. What is the right answer then? Option B. X plus 3 is equal to y minus 2 is equal to z plus 4. Equally inclined means here alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳು? Okay, next move to the next question. The equation of straight line passing through the point A, B, C and parallel to z axis Parallel to z axis means so direction cosines of z axis as well as the lines are equal, right? Because the line is parallel to z axis, they are equal. Here we have the line passing through the point A comma B comma C. Passing through the point A comma B comma C, or they are given x1 y1 z1 as A comma B comma C and parallel to z axis. First we have to find the direction cosines of z axis. Direction cosines ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಬೀಟಾ ಗಾಮಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ರೈಟ್? 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 0. We left it here 1 and it is 0. 1 and 0. Okay. Therefore equation of the line passing through the point A comma B comma C, cos 90 is 0, this will be 1. Cos 90 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So therefore 0 comma 1, they are the direction. Next one. The equation of the straight line passing through the point A comma B comma C and parallel to z axis. And remember, when the lines are parallel, z axis means that is also line, right? When the lines are parallel, corresponding direction ratios are equal. Right? Okay. So here we have the line which passing through the point A comma B comma C. Passing through the point A comma B comma C and parallel to z axis. First we have to find the direction cosines of z axis. In z axis, which makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with x, y and z axis. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆಲ್ಫಾ is equal to angle between z axis and x axis 90 degree, z axis and y axis is 90 degree, z axis and z axis is 0 degree. If I apply for cos here, cos of 90 degree cos of 90 degree and cos of 0. Cos of 90 becomes 0 and it is 0, this will be 1. If here we have to consider the numbers which are proportional to direction cosines. I will take that number as 1, 1 and 1. Okay. 0, 0, 1 numbers are 0, 0, 1. The equation of the straight line passing through the point A, B, C and parallel to Z axis is, we need to find the equation of the line passing through the point A, B, C, this is the given point, and parallel to Z axis is there. So parallel to Z axis means the direction cosines of Z axis and the lines are equal, right, because parallel is there. Therefore this becomes direction cosines of Z axis. Before going to find the direction cosines, we need to find direction angles there. Angle made by Z axis with X, Y and Z axis respectively are 90 degree with X axis, 90 degree with Y axis and 0 degree with Z axis. If you apply cos for this one, direction cosines enagutte nodi. Cos of 90 degree, this is cos of 90 degree and this is cos of 0. This becomes here 0, 0, 1. So because the given line is parallel to Z axis means they have the same properties of Z axis, right? Okay, then this equation becomes x minus a divided by 0 is equal to y minus b divided by 0 is equal to z minus c divided by 1. So this is the required equation. The x minus a divided by 0 is equal to y minus b divided by 0 is equal to z minus c divided by 1. Option, what we have the option there? Option D is the right answer. X minus a by 0, y minus b by 0 is equal to z minus c by 1. This is our required answer. Artha aitu makla, take a pause and note. Next question. The coordinate of the point on the line x plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to y plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 3 divided by 2 at a distance of 6 by root 2 from the point 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So here we have the line. This is the given line. So what is the given equation? X plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to y plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 3 divided by 2 is there. We will take that as a lambda. All are equal to some constant, that is lambda. And any point on x axis is of the form x plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to lambda agutta, that becomes x plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to lambda. After cross multiplication and simplification, x becomes 3 lambda minus 2. Similarly y becomes same thing here, y plus 1 by 2 is equal to lambda, that point becomes y is equal to 2 lambda minus 1 and z becomes 2 lambda plus 3. Therefore any point on the given line is x, y, z. It is of the form 3 lambda minus 2, 2 lambda minus 1, 2 lambda plus 3. Here we have the point, this is the point, given point 1, 2, 3. They given the distance from this point 1, 2, 3 to the line is 6 by root 2. And any point on the line is of the form x, y, z or else 3 lambda minus 2, 2 lambda minus 1, 2 lambda plus 3. This is the point 3 lambda minus 2, 2 lambda minus 1 and 2 lambda plus 3. Then we will observe ಮಾಡಿ. Therefore this is the general point on the line. Any point on the line, it is of the form this one 3 lambda minus 2, 2 lambda minus 1 and 2 lambda plus 3. Then distance between these 2 points is equal to 6 by lambda, 6 divided by root 2. Distance of any 2 point in 3-dimensional geometry is x1, y1, z1 and another point x2, y2, z is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Okay, here we need to find the distance of this point here, AB. They given AB is equal to 6 divided by root 6. Then find the distance between these 2 points. this becomes here root of, what is the first point? 3 lambda minus 2 minus 1, that becomes 3 lambda minus 3 whole square, plus next one y2 minus y1, 2 lambda minus 1 minus 2 is 2 lambda minus 3 whole square, plus next one 2 lambda plus 3 minus 3 becomes 0, you left with 2 lambda whole square is equal to 6 divided by root 2 whole square. 6 divided by root 2 whole square. Okay, sorry, 6 divided by root 2. After squaring on both sides, we left it here 3 lambda minus 3 whole square plus 2 lambda minus 3 whole square plus this is a 4 lambda square is equal to 6 divided by root 2 whole square. Simplification, 3 lambda minus 3 whole square, expand using a minus b whole square, we left it here 9 lambda square plus this is 9 minus 3 is a 9, 9 2 is 18 lambda plus this is 4 lambda square plus 9, then minus 6 12 lambda plus 4 lambda square is equal to 6 square divided by root 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 6 square is 36 divided by root 2 whole square is 2, 2 ones are and 2 80s and get cancelled, we left it here 18, 9 plus 9 is 18 and the right hand side 18 get cancelled there, right, and remaining thing is simplification, 9 lambda square plus 4 lambda square, that becomes, and we have another one 4 lambda, that becomes 17 lambda square, 9 plus 4 plus 4, 9 plus 8 is 17 lambda square, and the remaining thing is minus 18 lambda minus 12 lambda, that becomes minus 30 lambda, minus 30 lambda is equal to 0. Take lambda as common there, lambda into 17 lambda minus 30 is equal to 0, lambda is equal to 0, then our remaining thing is 17 lambda is equal to 30 and lambda is equal to 30 divided by 17. Substitute this point, x is equal to 3 lambda minus 2, y is equal to 2 lambda minus 1, z is equal to 2 lambda plus 3. Here we need to find the point on the line. This is the general point. So when lambda is equal to 0, the point becomes x is equal to x comma y comma z is equal to, what was the point? Lambda is equal to 0, minus 2, minus 1 and 3 agutta. X, y, z is minus 2, minus 1 and 3. When lambda is equal to, what we are another one? 30 divided by 17. 30 divided by 17 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 30 divided by 17 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 30 into 3 90, 90 divided by 17 minus 2, we get here 34, 90 minus 34 is 56 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, that is 56 divided by 17 comma next one 30, 60 divided by 17 minus 1 ಇದೆ, 60 by 17 minus 60 minus 17 divided by 9 is, you get 17 means here 43 divided by 17 and the next one 30 divided by 17, 73 is a 51 and here 60, that becomes 111 divided by 17. So these are options. Okay, just observe your option, what will be the answer. First point, minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 3 is not there in the option, and lambda, when lambda is equal to 30 by 17, 56 divided by 17, 43 divided by 17 and 111 divided by 17, we have the option B. Option B is our right answer. This is the method, this is clear here, this is the case. Take a pause and note on. Next, dear children, we are moving to the next question. The vector and Cartesian equations of that line that passes through the horizon 5 comma minus 2 comma 3 are A and B respectively. Andre vector equation is A and Cartesian equation is B, they given here. Passes through the horizon 0 comma 0 comma 0, one point, and another point is 5 comma minus 2 comma 3. Remember equation of the line passing through 2 points, x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1 in Cartesian form. When it comes to vector form, we have vector r is equal to vector a plus lambda into vector b minus a. So this is the position of vector a is equal to 0 into I cap plus 0 into j plus 0 into k cap. And vector B is 5 into I cap minus 2 into j plus 3 into. First one vector equation, vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda into vector B, which implies there is no vector A, right? A becomes here 0. So therefore vector R can be written as lambda into 5i minus 2j plus 3k, right? And Cartesian equation anagate vector R is equal to vector, Cartesian equation x minus x1 by a is equal, x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Replace the point there. X minus x1 is 0, x1 is 0, y1 is 0 and z1 is 0. x2 is 5, y2 is minus 2 and 3. That becomes x by 5 is equal to y by minus 2 is equal to z by 3. This is the Cartesian equation and this will be the vector equation of the required line. So this will be the A and this will be the B. What is the option then? Option C is our right answer, right? Lambda vector R is equal to lambda into 5y minus 2j plus 3k ide, and Cartesian equation is x by 5, y by minus 2 and z by 3. Artha aita makla? Option C is our right answer. Take a pause and note on. Next, dear children, we are moving to the next question. Equation line joining the points minus 3, 4, 11 and 1, minus 2, 7 is. Just observe what they given the points minus 3, 4, 11 and another point 1, minus 2, 7. You need to find Cartesian equation. In the previous problem we have discussed about the Cartesian equation. We have x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 and is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. We follow the same thing here. Okay. Take this as x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2. X minus x1 alva x plus 3 agutte. Minus into minus becomes here plus divided by x2 minus x1. 1 minus of minus 3, that becomes here 4 is equal to. And the next one, y minus 4 divided by y2 minus y1. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 is equal to z minus 11 divided by z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. 7 minus 11, that becomes minus 4. But we don't have this option in our option A, B, C. Better to just observe carefully here. Option B nodi minus 2, 3 and 2 is the denominator. But here we have 4, minus 6 and minus 4. So that purpose multiply by minus 2. Throughout multiply by minus 2. That becomes x plus 3 divided by 4 is minus 2 in the multiply martidini is equal to minus 2 y minus 4 divided by minus 6 minus 2, this becomes z minus 11 divided by minus 4. Here we have 2 ones are 2 to get cancelled, we left with minus 2, that way x plus 3 divided by minus 2 is equal to this one 2 ones are 2 3s are get cancelled, though both are becomes positive here. So y minus 4 divided by 3 is equal to, similarly this is also becomes positive, z minus 11 divided by 2. These are answers. X plus 3 divided by minus 2, y minus 4 divided by 3 and z minus 11 divided by 2. This is our answer. Option B is the right answer. Okay. So when they are not in the our option, our answer is not in the option, then we have to go with simplification. Okay, all options check ಮಾಡಿ. If they are related to any one of the question, then simplify. Either they are multiply, either they are divide. We will get the solution. Okay. Take a pause and note on. Next, dear children, we are moving to the next question. If the vector equation of the line x minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to y minus 2y minus 5 divided by minus 3 and z plus 1 divided by z plus 1 is vector r is equal to 2i plus 5 by 2 into j minus k cap plus lambda into 2i minus 3 by 2 into j plus p into k cap, then p is equal to, you need to find the value of p. They given the Cartesian equation and corresponding vector equation. Okay, first find the vector equation for the given Cartesian equation. X minus 2 divided by 2, 2y divided by 2y minus 5 divided by minus 3 is equal to z plus 1 divided by 1 ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Z plus 1 divided by 1. Remember, the coefficient of x, y, z in the equation must be 1, right? But here we have 2. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ. X minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to, this is, if you take 2 as common, y minus 5 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ divided by minus 3 is equal to z plus 1 divided by 1. This is x minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to, take 2 to denominator, this becomes y minus 5 by 2 divided by minus 3 by 2 is equal to z minus of minus 1 divided by 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Corresponding Cartesian equation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? Cartesian equation vector r is equal to ABC. A is nothing but x1, y1, z1. What is x1 here? 2 into I cap minus 5 by 2, sorry, plus 5 by 2 into j cap minus k cap plus lambda into denominator vector b here, a into I cap plus b into j cap plus c into k cap. This becomes 2 into I cap minus 3 by 2 into j cap plus k cap plus k cap. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Just observe here. Here we have the term, the coefficient of this are equal, right? That's why p is equal to what? P is equal to 1. Therefore, just compare this equation with the given vector equation. P is equal to, we get 1. This is our answer. P is equal to 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Take a pause and note on. Now dear students, we are moving to the next question. The point of intersection of the line x minus 5 by 3 is equal to y minus 7 divided by minus 1 is equal to z plus 2 divided by 1, and x plus 3 divided by minus 36 is equal to y minus 3 divided by 2 and is equal to z minus 6 divided by 4 is, we need to find the point of intersection. Remember, here we have the two lines. So this is the line L1, this is the line L2. So what were the general point on the line L1 must satisfy this equation, right? Because they are intersect. So L1 is there. What is the given L1 here? Line L1 is x minus 5 divided by 3 is equal to y minus 7 divided by minus 1 is equal to z plus 2 divided by 1 is equal to some lambda, right? For the general point on the line, that becomes x is equal to what? Take the lambda here. X minus 5 by 3 is equal to lambda. That becomes 3 lambda plus 5. Y is equal to minus lambda plus 7 and z is equal to lambda minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? This is a general point. So this is a point on the line L1. This is a general point on the line L1. So if they intersect means at this point they have the same point, right? As well as L1 and L2 have the same point. Same point means here, if I substitute this point in the second equation, the equation must satisfy. Equation must satisfy. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Second equation must be satisfied if I substitute x, y, z by these values. Take the second equation. X plus 3 divided by minus 36 is equal to y minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 6 divided by 4 ಇದೆ. Replace x is equal to y is equal to and z is equal to what you obtained here. If I replace this one, this becomes, so replace this value, this becomes 3 lambda plus 5 plus 3 divided by minus 36 is equal to y is minus lambda plus 7 minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to, and z is lambda minus 2 minus 6 divided by 4. These are the things we obtained here. Here we have to equate any two values. We get the value of lambda. So better to equate first and second and third term. If I replace second and simplified second and third term, we left with minus lambda plus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ divided by 2 is equal to lambda minus 8 divided by 4. 2 ones are 2 to get cancel. Let's take cross multiplication. 2 into minus lambda is minus 2 lambda plus 4 to the 8 is equal to lambda minus 8. This is a minus 2 lambda minus lambda. Take lambda to left hand side. That becomes minus lambda is equal to minus 8 minus 8. Minus 3 lambda is equal to minus 16. Lambda is equal to minus 16 by minus 3. Lambda is equal to 16 by 3. This is our answer. Lambda is equal to 16 divided by 3. This is our right answer. So after obtaining lambda, substitute lambda is equal to 16 by 3 in this term. What we obtained? Just observe there. Lambda replaced by 16 by 3. So 3 into 16 by 3, that becomes 3 get cancelled. We left with here 21. Come on, and the second one, y value minus 16 by 3 plus 7 is there. Minus 16 by 3 plus 7 3 is a 21. Minus 16 plus 21, that becomes 5. 5 by 3. And the next one, z is equal to 16 by 3 minus 2. That becomes 16 minus 6 divided by 3. 10 by 3. This is our answer. 21, 5 by 3, 10 by 3. This is our answer. Just observe option. Option is no. We have the same thing. Option B is our right answer. Option B, 21, 5 by 3, 10 by 3. This is the case. Take a pause and note on. Next, dear children, we are moving to the next question. Next question will be, if the straight lines x minus 1 divided by k is equal to y minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 3 divided by 3, and x minus 2 by 3 is equal to y minus 3 by minus 5 is equal to z minus 1 by 2 intersect at a point, then the integer k is equal to their intersect. Their intersect means here they have the same point, right? They have the same point. Then we need to find the value of lambda there. We need to find the value of first lambda, then value of k. Okay, just observe here. So what they given? X minus 1 divided by k is equal to y minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 3 divided by 3 is equal to some lambda. From the general point on this line, this becomes x is equal to lambda into k plus 1 agata, and y is equal to 2 lambda plus 2, and z is equal to 3 lambda plus 3. This is the general point on the line. So this point satisfies this equation. In the previous problem we had discussed the same thing. In that case we found the point of intersection, but here we need to find the value of k if they are intersect. So therefore second equation x minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to y minus 3 divided by minus 5 is equal to z minus 1 divided by 2. Replace x, y and z value here. X value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? X value is here lambda into k plus 1 divided by minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to y is 2 lambda plus 2 minus 3 divided by minus 5 is equal to 3 lambda plus 3 minus 1 divided by 2. Simplification, this is a lambda into k minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 2 lambda minus 1 divided by minus 5 is equal to 3 lambda plus 2 divided by 2. Equate first and second and third term, we get the value of lambda there. Then equate first and second term. First equate first and second term. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. This is a lambda into k minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 2 lambda minus 1 divided by minus 5. And the second and third here, 2 lambda minus 1 divided by minus 5 is equal to 3 lambda plus 2 divided by 2. First simplify this one, then this one. Just observe first and second equation. Lambda k minus 1 ಇದೆ, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we left minus 5 into lambda k minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And for right hand side 3 into 2 lambda minus 1. This is a minus 5 into lambda into k plus 5 is equal to 6 lambda minus 3. 6 lambda minus 3. Minus 5 lambda into k is equal to 6 lambda minus 3 minus 5, that becomes 6 lambda minus 8. And k is equal to 6 lambda minus 8 divided by minus 5 lambda. If you simplify second and third term, you will get the value of lambda, then replace this lambda value, you will get the value of k. Second and third term nodon enide 2 lambda minus 1 divided by minus 5, take cross multiplication, that becomes 2 times of 2 lambda minus 1 is equal to minus 5 times of 3 lambda plus 2. This is a 4 lambda minus 2 is equal to minus 15 lambda minus 10. Take lambda one side and remaining terms to other side. That becomes this is a 4 lambda plus 15 lambda is equal to minus 10 plus 2. This is a minus 8. This is a 19 lambda. Lambda is equal to minus 8 divided by 19. Lambda is equal to minus 8 divided by 19. After obtaining lambda, replace this lambda in this term. So what we obtained here? K is equal to 6 into minus 8 divided by 19 minus 8 divided by minus 5 into minus 8 divided by 19. Okay, simplify the terms, we will get this k value as minus 5 is our answer. This is the method. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? k is equal to minus 5. Option A is right answer. K is equal to minus 5. Okay, take a pause and note on. Dear children, in this class we had a discussion about first important problems on 3-dimensional geometry. Next class I am going to discuss about rest of the problems. Thank you all.